Munene wanchere kangeta na gwetete nchobita untubura botumete maabisa banchere ubakare mokurita ngugi yao ria kubatere asanwako augite untububo nibonekete kiri maabisa banchere untubara ugite amwe nabo nibakubuthangikira kenda kuberekeria njirene ire yagirite aritendeire bochemanite na Kristo bakanise mwentere igerera kubareta bonthe amwe. Nicholas Chabari na Chikinya.
My challenges are these officers ulevi.
Kinyamara gikuo kia urebi kia kigwete mabitha abaingi eba borisi ikio gitumite kuringana na murungamiri igwanchera ya kangeta to asani wako auga ibethirito bakigia ngarama enene mantoni imegie kuira mabitha ababa kuthina mbe na kwarirwa na kuraithirwa ntere cha Nairobi ne kenda bathegana na urebi.
A lot of money is incurred by department to pay for rehabilitation cost of these officers, and we have never been successful by information. Mr. Kalawa na Jack tulipeleka officers rehabilitation Nairobi, lakini wanarudi wakiwa walevi tu tena. Wengine sasa wanarudi hapa walevi. Sasa tunaona we gave up on them, we transferred them out, na mali wako pia wako walevi tu. Nimefuatilia bado wako walevi na wengine wamekosa kazi.
Na ugwende kuringana na wako aligo ibwega kinyame taratarega ikirwa na gwatho obwega burabo gatigire bukonekana aburama bitha baba kurithirwa baithunganiretie na manto megie urebi bakathingatagirwa nonto mwanka athaino gutie gwatho buria bukonene na burabo batiri kwithirwa bakithina mbe na kuthingatirwa.
A lot of officers wamekosa kazi, wameingia crime kwa sababu ya pombe, and hardly do we have sometimes alcoholic policy, because we need to have alcohol policy in criminal justice system. Sometimes we don't have those policy. We treat them like any other officers wale wamekosa kazi. Kupia watu ni watu wanataka usaidizi, wanataka rehabilitation, wengine wanarudi kwa barabara. Sasa kama hiyo watu wote hao wangekuwa nastakiwa, nafikiri hata wengine wamestakiwa na hangestakiwa in first place. Hangestakiwa because these are sick people. Watu wanatakana wapeleke kwa matibabu vile umejini kama matibabu ya roho umepata wamekosa.
Kumanchera ya kangeta Gembe Central, Peter Nicholas Chabari.